Everyone, welcome back to this SAP DataSphere playlist. Today we are going to learn about the Business Builder. In SAP DataSphere, Business Builder is a tool for modeling the objects of the business layer. तो बिजनेस बिल्डर एक मॉडलिंग टूल है इनसाइड द एसएपी डेटा स्फेयर जहां हम अपने बिजनेस मॉडल्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Business users can define the business models in the business layer, models that are separate from the physical data layer. So it means कि business users can create the business models by focusing on the business logics without need to understand the technical details. तो फिजिकल डेटा लेयर पे हमारे रो डेटा टेबल्स एंड व्यूज होते हैं सच एज कि कोई सेल्स डेटा है या फिर आपका प्रोडक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन हो गया या टाइम डायमेंशंस हो गया. ऑल सच डेटा आर अवेलेबल ऑन द डेटा बिल्डर लेयर. बट बिजनेस बिल्डर या फिर you can say that business layer contains the business entities and the models that represent the business concepts like the sales performance या फिर forecasting. So these entities are connected to the physical data but abstracted to focus on the business needs. एग्जाम्पल से समझे तो मान लो एक रिटेल कंपनी है जो एसएपी डेटा स्फेयर यूज करती है. तो नाउ द बिजनेस यूजर वांट टू क्रिएट अ मॉडल फॉर द सेल्स ऑर्डर and this model includes the business concepts. So business user can focus on defining the sales order models on the business layer without need to worrying and without need to manage how this data is stored in the tables on the physical data layer. So basically, this separation ensures that the business logic is clear and can be easily adjusted without altering the underlying data structures. So this is the business builder. If we are going to the business builder start page, it gives you access to the different editors like you can access the editor for the consumption model, the fact model, analytical data set, and for the dimensions. You can also create the authorization scenarios from here. Apart from these, there are the several functions which you can use directly from here. Like you can search the objects, you can create the new models directly by choosing the add option. And you can create dimensions, facts, fact model, consumption model, and authorization scenarios from here also. You can also make folders inside this. You can also import entities from the other systems choosing this import option. And you can also see the logs or check the logs from here. You can also refresh from this refresh option. You can edit the selected object using this edit button. You can also duplicate your consumption and fact model using this copy option. You can also delete them by using this delete option. Coming to this business entities. So exactly what are the business entities? So business entities basically provide the interface to the data layer. So it means that on the data layer, we have all the data available for our reporting. So we can fetch those data into our business builder using the business entities. So basically, these are the views. They don't persist any data. They will fetch data at the runtime from the data builder. On the top of these business entities, we create the consumption models and the fact models. It means to create the fact models and the consumption models. These business entities are the base, and to create these business entities, the models in the data builder are the base. In the business entities, we have two kind of things, new dimensions and the new fact. To create a fact, we need at least one measure. Okay. To Dimensions are master data. So whenever you want to wish to create the master data, then you can go for the new dimension. Or whenever you want to fetch the transactional data from the data builder, then you can go with this new fact also. Business entities consumes data from the data builder. Each business entity created in the business builder consumes a data from a data builder entity. Here, the important concept of loose coupling also come. If you want to change the data source of the business entity to a different data builder entity, you can also do without impacting the business entities. Even as your physical data source change, means if you do some changes in the data source, for example, adding some fields in the model in the data builder, then the model which are consuming in the business layer won't get inactive, or they will not break till they are in the executable format only. The next point is that we combine business entities in the fact models and the consumption models. You can use a single business entity in business consumption models and modify it by adding and removing measures and attributes as appropriate for the particular reporting context. You can optionally combine your business entities into an intermediate fact model and then use this as a source for the multiple consumption model. This is all about the business entities. I hope this is clear. In the next video, we will cover the practical part of the business entities, fact models, and consumption models. So, thank you so much.